the kids drank. I got out from the rafters in his garage about a year ago.
Sorry.
Always give me Jason's silver birthday. Daisies are my favorite. What about you?
Snapdragons. Cool name, hard to kill.
Yeah. Yeah, that sounds like somebody I know.